Trim the excess off. Starting, I'm looking at the bottom, lining up the print. Bottom stuck, now go to the top. And adhere the top. Okay. Hinge better. And we're going to take our 8 pieces of 030 by 5-inch carbon. And these are placed from the elevator here up to the trailing edge of the wing. Pick a spot right about the middle of the checkerboard graphic, that's about a 1/4 inch back. And put a dot of CA on the stab. Hit it with the accelerator. Same spot on the other side. And just barely poke it into the stab. You don't want to go all the way through. Now I'm gently going to pull them up to the fuselage about a 1/4 inch down from the edge of the fuselage here, about a 1/4 inch down, and just poke it into the fuselage a little bit. A lot like so. I'm not going to CA where it's meeting the fuselage just quite yet. Take your next piece of carbon and right next to where the last carbon was, poke it in, and we're going to aim for about a 1/4 inch again in from the outside of the fuse cross brace area this time. Same on the other side. Again, apply the CA to the fuselage cross brace, and not the fuselage yet. And we'll just keep weaving this back and forth until we get to the trailing edge of the wing. Drop the little CA on the wing there, wipe it off. Hit it with the accelerator. And now is when you can twist the fuselage to make sure it's real straight before you glue the carbon along the fuselage here. Now I'm sighting down it, it's very straight the way it is. And I feel comfortable just go ahead and put CA on both of these joints here. Flip it over and do the same on the other side. You notice your fuselage has a lot of integrity now. Just about got her all framed up.